Welcome back, guys. Jed Scott here as always, and as you can tell by the thumbnail, which if you saw, we have a potential new project car but no promises. But I figure let's go take a look at it today, introduce you to it. It's not here at the house, as you can clearly see, just the normal junk. So I figure, you know what, instead of going out there in my Magnum, let's take this as a twofer kind of video. We're gonna do a cold start and drive in the old 68 Javelin 4-speed car. Everybody wants to see more on this car. Trust me, and don't worry, there will be plenty coming up on this car as soon as I get done with 4-speed swapping my Dart and getting Jezebel done. This thing needs a clutch pretty bad, and I'd like to take the engine apart and put all new seals in it and do some other odds and ends, making this car a lot nicer because it's looking pretty sorry. But just to prove to you how cold it is, sorry about that, we'll just touch these old headers. Oh, that's hot. No, I'm kidding. They're ice cold. This engine ain't been started in a while. Differential sat all winter. Can't remember the last time I drove this. Probably about the same time last time I drove the old Dart. So we're gonna get this old girl fired up, drive out to where the new mystery possible project is, and I will show you it here in a bit. So stay tuned, guys. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we're gonna let her warm up for a while. Let me just go ahead and press for something. We're still warming up here, but I put one of my custom T-handles in here, and let me tell you guys what, never been a T-handle guy, but this thing feels really good in the old hand. It's kind of small, my pinky overhangs, but that's how they all are. I got a big old palm, but there's just something about bam, 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 bam. By the way, I had the clutch in. But I really like this. This feels great. You guys want one of those, shoot me an email. We'll work out something. But we're gonna let her warm up. I'll see you guys in a bit. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let's hit the road. Let me tell you guys what, I hope you can hear me just fine, or traveling down the road. If you ever needed just an awesome car to take anywhere and always trust, never any worries, AMC, especially from this area, 68, you know, the good muscle car era, this Javelin's been about the most dependable ride I've ever had. I take this car anywhere I want. I bet you I could drive to Tennessee right now, but I'm not, because Billy ain't getting my Javelin. All right, I'll see you out at the location. As always, the Javelin always delivers and lets us make it home. Or make it where we need to go. Hey, what's up, Roxy? So, we're out here at my uncle's place, where the car is. Sorry, man, I have the camera. Would you get down? You're gonna get me all shitty. And that's my Uncle Studebaker. Someday, hopefully, we're gonna be helping him work on that. Get that thing going, but here it is. This could be our next project car, and I know it don't look like much. That bumper really lets it down. I mean, we got a whiskey dent right there, but overall, I mean, look at the body. You just don't find cars in this kind of condition. We got another pretty good sized whiskey dent right here, easy fix. The trunk lid's in great shape. Look at the back bumper. I mean, this is such a clean car, and I hate to have to sell it. We got another dent right there, a little bit of rot down there in the lower quarter. I mean, look at the wheel wells though. I mean, that's all steel, all in great shape. Downside is this window got smashed out and we got some crud going on right here, but it's a GM. It's all there in the aftermarket, valuable. All the underpinning in this car is basically a Javelin. Look at the little mirror. I never noticed the mirror. It's a cute little mirror. It's got the cool hood. It's not the 442 hood, but I love these louvers. I mean, you just don't find cars in this shape anymore. Pretty much unmolested. And could you imagine how cool this car would have looked when it was brand new? About the same color blue as Jezebel, with a white vinyl top and a white interior. Listen to this door. See, there's white interior, the seats here, and it's really not that bad. I know it don't look great, but I mean, you got to think about how old this car is. It's a 71. By the way, if I haven't told you, this is a 71 Oldsmobile Cutlass. But here's my favorite thing. This is the telltale sign of a good car. That door, how solid that sounds. That, to me, sells a car. Oh, man, I hate to sell this thing. But, you know, sadly, I bought this thing from my uncle here not too long ago with the intentions of it being the next project vehicle for the channel. I thought it'd just be cool. I mean, I love this body style. How could you not love this body style? But I got plenty of projects, and so does Dad. We got to finish Jezebel. We got the yard dart, and we got, you know, the 49er in the backyard. We got the Javelin that needs stuff. We got too many projects. So this car is currently posted for sale on Facebook. Now, I ain't asking a lot for it. I think I'm being very fair, and I got to post it. I've actually got guys coming to look at it tonight. I'm filming this video on Friday, February 5th or whatever. So this car's probably going to be sold before, you know, this video gets to go live. But, you know, don't be afraid to send me an email or hit me up on Facebook if you see it for sale still. If it's still posted, it's still for sale, and I'll be more than happy to sell it to somebody. I just want to see it go to a good home and not sit anymore, because a car this cool deserves to get finished. Alrighty guys, so I actually just got done taking a bunch of pictures, and I was speaking to my buddy who's actually really interested in buying this. He's not going to make it today. He's going to be here Saturday, so you guys may have a little wiggle room. Maybe try and buy this, but highly doubt it. He says if the frame's okay, he's taking it home. But, you know, I just wanted to show you the car. I figure it's a really cool one. It's a good car to document for the channel. It's a car I let go. I let it go. God, it's a cool car. Now we got to walk away. All right, I'm slowly walking away, guys. I really need this car, don't I? No, just walk away, Jed. You got a Javelin, you got a Charger, you got a Dart. Dad's got a Hemi Charger. We got plenty of stuff. Now, however, my Uncle Studebaker, that I may have to talk him out of. But as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek video and enjoyed the driving and cold start of the Dart. Roxy, would you stop? You're gonna get me muddy. I don't want to be muddy. But hope you guys enjoyed, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. So take care. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.